Robinson Road in Greer, and as you can see behind me, this helicopter sits behind about 30 HVAC units. Now that helicopter will lift those units one at a time, take them over this building. That is Minghua Plastics that's being built here on Robinson Road in Greer. And that's a very tedious job that officials say only helicopters can do.
They can't reach the middle of the building with a crane. The building is so large that it's physically impossible to reach all the way to the middle with a crane, so the helicopter is the easiest way to set them.
The easiest way, but the process, no simple task. Sergeant Randall Ballinger and the Greer Police Department blocked off the road this morning. They also sat in on multiple security briefings. Those briefings sometimes taking hours. Each unit around 3,000 pounds.
Anytime that you're overhead lifting heavy equipment over people's heads or over roadways, there's a lot of requirements.
Despite the bulk and the danger of moving something this large with a helicopter, these trained men were able to finish it in good time.
They told us that it would take between 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes per unit, and obviously at 40 units, about 80 minutes. So we plan on having the roadway open by 12 o'clock today.
Now, overall, this is a process that takes about 2 hours, and it's a process that will have to happen again. There's a different plastics corporation being built behind this building here that will also need the same thing. We'll keep you updated when that might happen. Allison Powell, WYFF News 4 in Greer.